is up, you guys, and welcome to EPCOT. As you can see, it's very festive here, if you look over my shoulder. Today we're going to meet Ralph and Vanellope. What are our fast passes?
First we're going on Frozen, then Living with the Land, then I think Nemo, I think.
You picked them.
Yeah.
Join us. It's Christmas. It's Christmas in Norway. How appropriate to get on Frozen.
Come on, go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's Ice Palace. Sven's going, I'm going, and it'll be so beautiful. See you there.
Would you say that we're elated or gasping?
Let's just call it delight. 'Cause for the first time in forever.
Make sure you smile. Out with a picture.
I feel like we're walking through a castle. Are we walking through a castle?
I think so.
Corner of the store. I found these. These are cool. It's like ugly Christmas sweater, Norway EPCOT t-shirt all in one. How much? How much? How much? How much? $34.99. Looks like they have a kids. There's like a long sleeve-ish one. It's not a full long sleeve, and then they have a long sleeve one, but it has a hood. I wouldn't like that. Snack corner. You can get all kinds of snacks from Norway, but what is this? Christmas soda. What do you think this tastes like?
Christmas.
Let's see if there's anything on the back.
Maybe it tastes like cinnamon.
It just says it's a sweet and flavorful winter soft drink.
Maybe there's like cinnamon in it.
That would be gross. Ugly sweater section, but they're like quality ugly sweater.
I kind of like this.
So you can pick out your ugly sweater and then you can pick out your ugly beanie to match. What is this, a headband?
I think
That's
so.
really thick. They're all thick. And they have the zipper on the neck thing.
They have jewelry in
These are
it.
super thick. See anything good? See anything you like?
This is kind of pretty.
Right outside of Frozen, in front of this waterfall, we're gonna make a wish. Get your penny? Yours is nasty.
Dirty penny.
Ready? I dropped mine. I'm just gonna throw it.
I did a good win.
Yeah, you took that serious. We're walking around Epcot trying to find Ralph and Vanellope, and I think we're on the right track. I think we have to go in here, so hopefully we'll see them soon.
I hope the line is not too long. Oh, we rode Frozen already and it was so much fun.
There's Ralph. So they got all kinds of, I don't know, learning games, it looks like. Fun, but educational.
We lost.
Okay, so we just went in the building back there, and we have to go back across from where we came from. We were
I
there.
ended up asking someone because there was a worker coming towards our way and I'm like, I'm just gonna ask her so we actually know where we're going to.
So we were in the right place the first time.
We just didn't see them.
We're on our way. Something is telling me we're in the right place.
He's like,
Okay, so we finally met Ralph and Vanellope. They're in that building back there. It took 30 minutes-ish.
yeah, about 30 minutes, but I feel like it didn't feel as long as 30 minutes because it's not in like one of those things where you can't see them until you get up front. Like you can see them the whole time, so it's kind of keeps your mind kind of occupied because you can see them the whole time, like taking pictures with other people and stuff. So
They're pretty detailed.
yeah, it was pretty cool.
Everybody wants the autographs. That's what takes a while. The pictures are quick, but the autographs, Vanellope's the only one who can sign, and I think she was doing both.
Yeah.
But that was fun. We're waiting for the pictures to download onto the app now. And we are off to Living with the Land, one of our faves.
Scientists from EPCOT and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce valuable harvests now and into the future. Plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. The goal of research around the world. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with...
We are almost done with Epcot, except, what did we forget?
Oh yeah, I was totally gonna leave and not even remember that. We have to get our goofy magnets.
Christmas goofy
Where do we go to
magnets.
get those?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay.
The adventure continues.
Got our magnets. Yes. And look at these stockings.
It's huge.
Oh, that's cool. I would like an apron with that print on it.
I think they have one.
I like this one. I don't know. I like the Chip and Dale one too. And these are $29.99. I'm gonna go look at all kinds of merch at Disney Springs now. Time for lunch.
Okay, we are at Disney Springs. Not gonna eat lunch here because lines are out the door and we're not waiting 30 minutes for an Earl of sandwich. Yeah.
Not happening.
So we'll eat when we get home, have a little late lunch. Now it's time for the Christmas tree trail.
Yay, I'm excited.
finished Christmas Tree Trail.
It was really cute, but it was really packed in there.
It's very crowded this year. What was your favorite tree?
Probably the Little Mermaid and Haunted Mansion.
I like Haunted Mansion and Tangled.
Yeah, the Tangled one was really cute too.
Last year we walked through, we were probably there for like 20, 25 minutes. This year we walked through in like 6
Like
or
really
7.
fast. Yeah, last year they had like fake snow that they did, which was really cute. They didn't do that this year. And then also they actually had like a photo pass person taking pictures last year. They didn't do that this year either.
And
so
we got a
I'm not
free
sure. Pin.
because
Yeah.
they're promoting the Disney weddings.
Fairy tale weddings.
Fairy tale weddings. So we got a little pumpkin carriage.
I think last year was better, but this year they did do a couple new trees, so that was cool.
There's more trees, kind of more details, but some of the old stuff too. So now, do you want to go in the big store?
I think we're gonna go into the big store for a little bit, and then we are heading home to go eat.
So off to World of Disney. And there's the line going in, and enjoy your chicken. Okay, so we are back home. Today was a fun-filled day. Got a lot done. Babe's back there on the computer and messing with the cat. She's actually picking our activities for our Disney cruise that we're going on in like a little over 2 months. I think it's like 72 days now. So we're getting there. It's gonna be fun. So, like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see all our future stuff, and we will see you next time.